Hey everyone, listen up, I've got something special just for you. Bitunix and crypto TUGG just partnered. So, if you don't want to miss some free bonuses, keep watching our video. I've got something seriously exciting for you today, especially if you're just getting into futures trading or looking to boost your capital without spending a dime. So here's the deal. Bitunix and I have partnered up to bring you, the viewers of this video, an exclusive campaign, and it's time sensitive. When you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get 10 USDT in futures bonus, totally free, no deposit needed. But that's only for the first 100 people. So if you're seeing this early, congrats, you might be one of them. Now, let's say you're ready to go a bit further. If you deposit just 100 USDT, you get 10 USDT bonus. Deposit 200? That's 20 bonus. 500 gives you 50, and if you're all in and deposit 1000 USDT, Bitunix gives you a solid 100 USDT futures bonus. But wait, there's more. If your trading volume hits certain levels during the campaign, you unlock even bigger rewards. For example, hit 100k in trading volume, that's another 10 USDT. 1 million? 100 bonus. 5 million? You're looking at 500 USDT in bonus. And if you're a serious pro, 50 million in volume gets you a massive 5,500 USDT bonus. And here's the best part. You can use these bonuses to trade up to 125x leverage, and if you make a profit, you can withdraw it. Yes, really. If you profit with using the bonus, it is yours, you can keep. But don't forget, this campaign runs only until June 25th, UTC time, and again, it's limited to users who register through my referral link. Now for those of you wondering, what even is Bitunix? Let me break it down real quick. Bitunix is a crypto futures and spot trading platform launched back in 2021. Since then, it's grown to over 1.3 million users across 70 plus countries. They've got super smooth and fast trading interface, up to 125x leverage, futures, spot, copy trading, strong risk controls, 24/7 multilingual support, and competitive fees with a VIP tier system whether you're brand new or an experienced trader. Bitunix has a clean UI and all the features you need, and right now, you've got a chance to try it with free bonus funds. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, register, and grab your free bonus before the spots are gone. Happy trading, and let me know how your journey goes. So, if you've been wanting to try crypto futures without risking your own money, this might be the perfect opportunity. Let me know in the comments if you've signed up already or if you're planning to. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitunix, and if you've traded before, share your experience. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. See you in the comments, and good luck with your trades.